So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on this video strategies of under 7. I think this is a part 2. I have another video of the same, but I'm going to keep these videos short and sweet. So make sure you watch this video until the end. Go try this strategy on your account or in your demo account. So this strategy goes like this. The digit 0 has to have the green bar, like it has to be the most appearing, and also the red bar has to be on digit 4. But I think under 7 it has been covered so much, like it has so many entry. I'm yet to try these strategies, that's why I'm sharing with you. So go ahead and try it and see if it works. So let me just go ahead and look to find out if I'm going to get a market with the same criteria to see. Wow, see, we have gotten a good market of the same. Like 0 has to have, it's the opposite. It's the opposite of our strategy. Like 0 has to have the green bar and 4 has to have the red bar to trade under 7. But can we try it with you guys to see if 0 has the least appearing, and 4, I think this market we are going to avoid it. As you have seen, green bar is being shared with 7 itself. So doing under 7 or doing under 7 itself, it's going to mess up because 7 is the most appearing. Oh, so bad for us. So let's continue and see if we are going to get another market. Yeah. So I hope we get maybe a similar market. This one, it's not, but as you can see here, red 4, it has shifted again. So that's why you get the market shifts within a short period. So let me try my luck and see if I'm going to get. But if I don't get my strategy I have shared with you, you can go ahead and try it. But I usually recommend my subscribers to do rise and fall, and also to do price action, like to learn the candlesticks themselves. So I'll take, I think, a few trades, but I think I can do the past one to see how it works. But so some of these strategies may take a while if you decide to follow the strategies that you get on the ebook, especially for over and under. Because if the strategy that you have been given, you are being told to wait until that digit have that percentage, like you can get, like you are being told you have to wait for it to be at 10.5. Let's say you are being told your 2%, your 2 digit has to be below 11.5. like you have to wait for it until it gets to 11.5. But if you concentrate on learning price action, like which is candlestick to do rise and fall, you can make more money instead of waiting here. But I have no bad blood with doing over and under on other trade types. It's just that my preference, it goes to rise and fall. There are so many. I think they are also expert on these markets of over and under, and they usually make more money here. So you can choose your path. So I'm just going to do over and under. Let me go under 7. It has touched our 8 digit, our first win, our first loss, our second. So, and I don't know if you have ever had, like, the best market to trade it for any beginner is over 2, over 3, and also under 7. Those 3, they are the best for beginners. Yeah, over 2, over 3, and also under 7. So guys, see you in my next video, and I hope you're enjoying my videos. So in my next video, I'm also going to share another strategy, so make sure you keep tuned.